energy. It's 21st century that we are currently in, and eco problems are common because getting energy using traditional ways is harmful for the environment. For example, all the amount of used but not recycled nuclear fuel is nearly 23,000 cubic meters. Can we avoid this problem? Of course. And the solution is alternative sources of energy. They are environmentally friendly, ergonomic and renewable. For example, solar energy, tide energy, geothermal energy and wind energy. Let's touch upon the latter one. This kind of energy dates back to early times. People got it using mills. Contemporary wind turbines consist of blades, blade shaft, generator, swivel mechanism, and a cable which transfers energy to transformer. In Europe and North America, the source of energy is widespread because of government's financial support to people who get energy this way. For example, in Spain, wind power is 54% of all. In Portugal, this percentage is 46%. Unfortunately, in Russia, this way is not so popular because of restrictions. Although our windmills, for example, have 5 times bigger potential than German ones. Wind generators' popularity increased in Europe because of bad communications with Russia, which has big amounts of exhaustible resources. On the other hand, wind energy has some disadvantages. The biggest of them is situativity. Simply put, wind can just do not blow and generators will not work. Also, big generators are so expensive and many animals die because of blades. I also thought about receiving energy by wind generators at home. Some years ago I did a small wind generator which was able to light up a small LED.